Good morning, team. Good morning, team. Welcome back. Welcome. Hey, guys. Yesterday was amazing. It was an amazing day. UK49. It came with. Remember, the quote was 126. So these guys, they just took the quote as it is. Was 12 or 26. Was 12. Then there was 18. I said to you guys, if it does not drop, and it also dropped on Betway. I'm surprised because these numbers they also dropped on Betway. Yeah, UK49 yesterday, it read big pressure, but they repeated, they did crush our numbers, which was good. And let me see. Yes, that was very good. So guys, today you must make sure that you watch this video to the end, because if you don't, sometimes you will skip something that is very important. So it is a very important for you to watch the video from 0 to 100 where it ends. It's very important. We are not losing anything by doing that. So guys, let us start with this strategy we're going to use today. Let's first check if we say lunch to lunch. Remember this strategy of saying 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So remember, we just add 7 plus 1 is an 8, 2 plus 8 is a 10, 1 plus 2 plus 3, it's how much is that? It is a 6. 1 plus 3 plus 4 is an 8. Then 5 plus 5 is a 10. So which means they did not use this strategy to create the T. So 10 is coming today. 10 is coming today because I see it appearing twice, which means because 8 has dropped and 11 has dropped, 13 has dropped. So these numbers is 5, 9, 11, 13, 8, which means now let me show you the sequence. 8, 11, 5, 13. See, 13 came. So which means a number which is missing is let me see, 11 has dropped, is a 9. So a 9 is missing, which means today a 9 is going to crush the UK49. Okay, the family of 9 is going to crash today. So let us move. Our code is, remember we start here. We're going to add, I don't know who's presenting, but it's fine. 14 plus 32 plus 55 formula, then it will give us a 101. 101. Do you see the accuracy now of 10, which means 10 or 1? Let me say 10. Let's stick to 10. 10 must drop today by fire, by force. So our banker is 10 and 49. I know why I'm saying that. Our banker is 10 and 49. Don't worry, even if the number is dropped before previously, it always comes. This is UK49. They don't mind this guy. They repeat the number consistently. So with this code 101, where is it? Code 1, sorry, okay, my pencil, 101. This number, it shows us that if you see 10 plus that, it gives us 11. 1 plus that, it gives us a 9. So it's 9, 10, 11. These are the first numbers that you're getting from that code. Then let's move on to code 2. The second code is 94, which you're going to say 9 plus 4 equals 13. 13 has dropped already and twice yesterday. You say 9 minus 4, that's a 5. So do you see these numbers are going to repeat again? These numbers are going to repeat. Remember guys, first before you play UK49, just watch the Betway and check the match of Betway. If the match bring these numbers, so you must know that sometimes on UK they don't bring them. It always happens like that. They are just vice I'm sick guys. They're just vice facing the numbers just to confuse us. But today I'm just going to do a simple pairing for you guys. Simple pairing that won't confuse you guys. Okay, my chest. So it's 101 094. This is how you write a code if it's got two numbers. So the first bankers is 49. We have 10. We add there, we get a 13. We subtract, we get a 5. Then we get a 9. So guys, these are the numbers that we have today. And then there's 9, 4, 10. These numbers, are the ones that will give us money today. And then if you check properly there, you will find out that this number is overdue 15 and 44 and 49. Then 10 is still hot. Remember, if a number is hot, it comes again. Like 13, it was hot, but now it's removed from the hot. It's no longer on hot. So the number which is hot is 10 and 33. Those numbers are still hot, which means there's a high chance of them to drop. Then let us create our bonuses. Bonuses will not change. It's 15. It's 19. It's 24. It's 27. Those are the bonuses. Those are the bonuses for today. Let's go back again to the code 101, and then it's 94. Which, if a code is 94, it shows you that it is a 49. Or they split and make it 9, 4. On top there's 10, then there's 1, there's 9. You see, this is how you have to break your codes. I see there are people who are still failing to break codes. I know and I understand they don't know. It's hard, you know. But if you watch these videos every day, or just get yourself a book and watch the videos, it's easy, because what is in the book or what is in the video is the one. Let me say, what you see on this video, it's also there in the book, because I explain in the video and then explain in the book. I think it will make sense even if you're studying it alone. Or, you know, sometimes you can just ask a friend who knows how to. I know some people that don't know how to study books, you see. Just ask a friend, show me this. I came across this. People will just show you. You know, it's all about asking. Sometimes if you don't know something, just ask someone to help you. Because if you just say, I know this, yet you don't, it becomes a problem. Okay, so let's see the colors now. We had yellow, we had a blue there. How many browns did we have then? You know, there's a chart that I wanted to show you guys. It's a chart of colors. It's very, very, very important. As you can see now, the brown has got power. It's coming with numbers. So some of the numbers, like 5 is a brown color, 12 is a brown color, and 26 is a brown color. These guys, they just went to the brown. They hit us with the brown color yesterday. And then blue was only 2. Obviously, if let me teach you something. If you guys see 7, 14, you must know that I don't know, it's a blue color. You know, it's 7, 14, 21, 28. You see, today 28 is going to come. Because of that, 28 is going to come. After 28 should be 28 should be 35. So there's already brought the 35 in a split of sort of a split. Then they'll bring a 43. You see, those numbers, they go with the colors. You must understand them from the colors as well. It's very, very important. But as you know, today 21 is going to drop, because we have got a challenge now of these two consecutive numbers, 12 and 13. See, 21, 31. It's going to spin the numbers around, or they'll say 1, 2, 3. You see, just to avoid this thing of 21, 31, they'll just come up about like 1, 2, 3. Because already they brought the 2, 3. I don't know what's going to happen, which means they'll combine them then, 21 and 31. Because if they did not hit 2, 3, there was a high chance of this 2, 3 to come. You know, you have to understand why these numbers, they come to a split. They come like this and that and that. You know, it's just all about understanding. So guys, if anyone needs a book, you know, just come to the first comment, and then you will be able to be helped with the book. The first comment of this video, you will find the link for WhatsApp where you can get the book. Thank you very much, guys. Stay home, do your stuff, don't drink and drive. Thank you very much.